everyone. So, your girl is back to driving. I actually haven't drove for about a year and a half now, so... What is up, you guys? It's your girl Avelovinit and welcome to another vlog. This is just a random vlog. I'm still here in Manila. I am about to pick up one of my favorite person in the world. How are you all doing today? Forgot how stressful it is. Driving in Manila is like a freaking road rage. I don't have Google Maps, didn't use Waze. Great, Avelovinit, you can do this. You are a strong, independent woman. This is giving me a deja vu of my first time to drive a car. This is the traffic that you have to go through if you need to pick up someone at the airport. We're not moving. There he is!
I go here or in the back?
Yeah, at the back, please. Sorry, there's a lot of stuff. Is it okay? Hello!
Hey guys! Hey! So I didn't know that Ave could drive, you guys.
Of course, I drive better than you.
Yeah, right.
Look, if you can drive in Manila, you can drive anywhere around the world. Trust me.
Yeah, that's kind of true. That's kind of true.
See, there are no lines. There are no lines on the road.
How do you know how to navigate then?
Well, I got you.
Okay. See, last time I remember you driving.
See, walking supermarket.
Ooh.
Convenience store.
Yeah.
You have that in Norway?
No. But I remember you driving in Lofoten last time.
Illegally.
Yeah, not good, not good. She has her license back, you guys.
Yes.
Okay, so where are we heading now?
My house first.
Sorry guys for my absence. I know you've been missing the energy we have in the vlogs when we're together. I'm stoked to be back.
I'm so happy you're back.
This time Avi came to pick me up herself, which I really appreciate. I had a long flight and then I brought some chocolate for my mother-in-law, almost in-law, but I forgot it in the overhead compartment, so it was a bit of a mess to get it back, but I have it, it's in my possession, so everybody's gonna be happy.
You will never get hungry when you're with a Filipina. So much food again.
Yes, that's true.
Lechon paksiw. You haven't tried lechon, right?
Never.
Let's eat lechon when we go to Cebu.
Okay. Looks good. Hi there!
My crib!
Is it the Marve castle?
Yes. I'm gonna give you guys a quick room tour because Martin right here is moving to the Philippines with me. Is it that serious now?
We're gonna try this out. We're gonna see what it's like living in the Philippines.
So the thing that I like about this place is that everything that you need is just there. You can see it right away. So here we have the dining area fit for 3 people. We can have someone over here, you know. It's a round table, it's white, which is really good. It even has this nice chandelier. Over here is our small kitchen.
Nice.
Kitchen.
We're gonna see some magic.
Small refrigerator. Oh, we have a microwave here in case we cook something and we didn't get to finish it, like our leftovers. You can easily microwave it, preheat it. This is the kitchen sink, cutleries. The only downside is that there's only one stove. There's even an exhaust. Thank you, Martin. Water heater.
What is that?
All of the pots that you need. Of course, a house in the Philippines, or an Asian house rather, is not complete without this. Do you have this?
No.
It's not just rice that you can cook here. You can boil eggs here. You can boil noodles here and all that shebang. Oh,
Ooh.
yeah. There's also a complete
Coffee
set of
press.
coffee press. And next is the living room. We only have one couch, and this is fully for me. We have a really huge flat screen TV, which will be watching our vlogs.
Nice.
Get that ads running. Don't skip the ads.
Don't skip the ads.
Not skip the ads. We have a fake plant over here. It's like a tropical vibe because we're all about that Hawaiian, Philippine vibe, you know. Okay, here we have the queen size bed.
Nice.
For the Avelovinit. I don't know what it is for, but it's, you know, some kind of an effect, I guess.
It looks nice.
Alright. Okay. Now we move forward to the full length mirror. And we even have our own drawer and cabinet. An iron. Do you know how to iron? I knew it. Also, we have a nice view of BGC. The business district is right here. Now we move forward to the bathroom. Okay, so upon entering, we got the sink on your left, where you're gonna brush your teeth and wash your face. Hair dryer, more tissue papers, and we got ourselves a laundry machine, which is cool. I like this.
Nice. Yeah, I like to be able to do my laundry for sure. What's behind the door?
Behind the door is the shower. This is where we will shower now. And then Martin's favorite. This is your favorite, your throne.
My throne.
That's your throne. The bed is my throne.
Okay.
Alright, so this ends our quick room tour. We're moving to Manila together.
Let's go. Whee!
So we took a nap, a really good one for 2 hours.
3, 2, 1.
I was supposed to do some editing, but then I was like so sleepy. I fell asleep because yesterday I didn't get to sleep that well. What do you think of our malls?
Pretty crazy. Not what I expect to see in Manila. That's for sure.
Reunited with my momager.
Here again.
Yes,
same spot.
Hello everyone, we are back here in our unit. Martin's working as usual. What are you working on?
So I'm working on our poster for Bloggers United.
Oh.
We'll attend here in the Philippines.
I'm currently editing this vlog. Make this video about him moving to the Philippines. See what it's like to live here.
So first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna test the living conditions here in the Philippines. We're gonna do the same thing in Norway, and then we're gonna figure stuff out. Because Marve is taking it to the next level, you guys.
Oh. By the way, we are going to have a workshop this coming Sunday, BGC Amphitheater. It's right next to Jamba Juice Cotton On, if you guys know where that is. Our workshop is going to be from 5 p.m. until 6 p.m. So for all of you aspiring vloggers or already vlogging, wants to know more about travel vlogging 101 with It's Your Girl and your boy Martin, I hope to see you guys there. The admission is free. So yeah, if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment below if you want daily content, daily vlogs, daily Marve.
Daily.
What do you think?
Oh, that's
you think I
amazing.
can?
I don't know.
What do you think?
Maybe
it's
every other day. Let's be
every
nice
day.
to her.
And I will also try to post in my Tagalog. There's just so many things to do. As for me, I edit my own vlogs. If you don't know, I'm not one of those content creators who hires editors. No shade or whatever. Like, you know, the fun part about being a YouTuber is creating your own content. No one is telling you what to do. No one is doing it for you. You have the freedom of expression of every videos that you put out there. So I just feel like if someone edits your vlogs, it takes out that fun part. It will turn out as if you're just doing it for the money. I mean, I am kind of doing it for the money as well. I do this part-time. Of course, I need a job.
Yeah.
Anyway, I'll see you guys on the next vlog. Bye!